What's up, guys? So we are now doing an awesome video presenting the one, the only, and the Fidget Cube. Now, it looks pretty detailed. It's really cool. Comes in a little case, and let's open this thing. See how it. Oh, that was actually crack easy. Okay. Put the case right there. So now we basically have the Fidget Cube. There's a spinner. Oh geez, you guys can't see, huh? Well, there's a spinner right there where you go like that. There's the buttons. There's like this thing right here that you just move around. You guys cannot see me. I can't wait until I get a pro program. I really can't. Okay, and then there's this clicker. You can probably see my dogs in the background. And then there's this one thing that you can roll and stuff like that. And there's another one where you can press down and roll. It's really awesome, you guys. Yeah, I actually got it yesterday for you guys. Forgot it was too late to YouTube, so yeah, it's really cool. So let's see. I'm gonna try out my cool moves just to see if I can do them, and we'll see. Hey, oh gee, I cannot do it, you guys. Okay, but yeah, and then we have my little sour punches bites. And let's look at the case and stuff. So it comes with a little plastic glass, and then comes with some cardboard right here, then like a bottom and stuff to it. Yeah, so I'm in my room right now, but let's see if so these and this match right here. So you put how you put it back in is like this, and then you go like bam. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. No, I'm on the right way. Yep, and that's all for this video. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. I wish I can have like longer videos on stuff, but I might be playing Mad Max in the future, and like Cuphead Mugman and stuff like that. Might be with my friend and doing it. So, peace.